Think you know India? Only a landmark legend can get 10 out of 10 on this. Let's see your score. From the marble of the north to the temples of the south, this is episode 1 of the India Master Quiz. Grab a pen. Level 1 starts now. Question 1. This beautiful flower is carved into the walls of the world's most famous tomb. Can you name it? It's the Taj Mahal in Agra, built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Question 2. This is the tallest brick minaret in the world. It's located in our capital, Delhi. What is it called? Correct. It's the Qutub Minar. It has 379 stairs inside. Question 3. Which one of these is known as the Taj Mahal of Mumbai? Do you know? It's the Gateway of India, built to welcome King George V. Question 4. This wheel is actually a sundial that tells time. Is it in Odisha, Punjab, or Kerala? Yes, the Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. It has 24 carved wheels and 7 stone horses. Question 5. The tallest statue in the world is located right here. What is its name? The Statue of Unity. It's 182 meters tall. That's twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty.
Wow!
You reached level 2. Now ready for some more interesting questions. Question 6. This Palace of Winds has 953 windows but no foundation. Can you name it? It's Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. It was built so royal ladies could watch the street festivals without being seen. Question 7. This is one of the oldest stone structures in India. Is it a tomb, a temple, or a stupa? It's Sanchi Stupa, Madhya Pradesh. It was built by Emperor Ashoka to hold the relics of Lord Buddha. Question 8. This city is famous for its 4 minarets and delicious biryani. Name the landmark. It's Charminar, Hyderabad. Charminar has 4 grand arches and 4 tall minarets, and the word Charminar means 4 towers. Question 9. This holy place is covered in 750 kilograms of pure gold. Which city is it in? It's Golden Temple in Amritsar. It feeds over 100,000 people for free every single day. Question 10. This temple has the longest corridor in the world. Is it in Madurai or Rameshwaram? It's Ramanathaswamy Temple, Rameshwaram. It has the longest corridor of any Hindu temple in the world, with over 1,200 beautifully carved pillars.
Wow!
You reached last level. You are genius. Question 11. This hanging pillar is a mystery of ancient engineering. Which state is it in? It's Lepakshi Temple, Andhra Pradesh. Lepakshi Temple has a mysterious hanging pillar that does not touch the ground. You can pass a cloth or paper underneath it. Question 12. There is a mini Taj Mahal called Bibi ka Maqbara. Where is this place? It's in Maharashtra. Bibi ka Maqbara was built by Prince Azam Shah in memory of his mother. Question 13. In this monument, a tiny clap can be heard 7 times. Can you name this giant dome? It's Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur. It is the second largest dome in the world. Only St. Peter's Basilica in Rome is bigger. Question 14. Over 25,000 feet holy residents live here. If you see a white one among the thousands of brown ones, it's good luck. Where are we? It's Karni Mata Temple, Rajasthan. The rats are called Kabas. Despite thousands of them, there has never been a case of plague in the history of this temple. Question 15. This entire city was built to be the capital of India, but it was abandoned after only 15 years due to a water shortage. Name this City of Victory. It's Fatehpur Sikri. The main entrance, Bulund Darwaza, is the highest gateway in the world. How did you do? Are you a landmark legend? Tell me your score in the comments right now. You've mastered India's buildings, but can you handle the wild? In episode 2, we are heading deep into the jungle. Like and subscribe for next episode, so you don't miss it.